Um, manuals.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
It's also available online.
All right, so this is revised chick embryo with
Yeah.
these rearranged.
Yeah, monologue with it too.
Hmm?
We have early chick development. You'll notice.
Bioloverism. I'll write it on the board for you guys.
Yeah, you're the bioloverism.
Something about being a bio lover.
Are you sure? Oh, sorry.
There's better slides here too. There's better pictures.
All right, let me go on this side.
Come check these out too. You might wanna.
Huh? Bioloverism. Sorry, am I squishing you? Oh my gosh. Hope I don't make anybody dizzy with this.
You might wanna like take one of those off because.
Oh, that's
So are these
better.
models? Are these just the same kind of in the slides? It's kind of like
Yeah, this is basically. This just shows you the development. You can see how it's developing.
so here you see like the eye, the ear,
Yeah. The hearts.
Oh, that one's not.
brain.
Are we gonna go over the other slides?
I'm not sure. We'll see.
I think you should start
People
setting up
can
your study
show-
dates now so I can know when to come over here for
Uh-huh.
studying.
Yeah, the review session.
For the next test?
Can we have like 4 review sessions?
We'll have.
I bet this next quiz is gonna be a killer.
Just go to her TA sections. Her lab's always open.
Me?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I walk by your place a lot.
Yeah. I can't give you a study guide. I can have like a review session. I had 4 for this exam. Nobody showed up.
I did.
Only like a few
I
people.
only knew about one.
I showed up.
It's got to be in a convenient time.
Yeah, and you did it.
That's why I had 4. But different people
I
showed
showed
up
up.
differently. Yeah, you showed up twice.
That's what emails are.
Hey,
It's good. It's not a bad thing.
Are you talking about
are you trying to get rid of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I came one to one, and the guy came in and said, "Hey, you can look at the slides." That was it.
On Friday?
Whatever day you told us that there was.
Yeah, the one at 1?
It was some tall guy.
I didn't know there was one. I didn't know there was
He said that, and I was like, "Oh, well, I can do that to my book or my house." Unless he said something after I left, but he pretty much said, "Just look at the slides." It does sound like a toilet. Doesn't it? Sounds like a toilet.
No, it sounds like a toilet.
You said-
It does. It sounds like a toilet flushing.
Yeah, if you live in Nancy. Big building off campus.
What, like a.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's really bad. I'm like, I can't count.
Did you already enter your?
It's a brain. Is that a word? Oh, wait, you mean this manual or the atlas?
No, not this.
This is number 7? I don't know what happened to mine. Gabby took it.
have questions in your manual that you have to answer based on the displays, so make sure you answer those so we can go over them. For exercise 9 and 10. Okay? So I'm going to give you some time to do that, and then we'll correct them.
I thought we had to do 7, 8, 9. On the schedule's at 7, 8, 9. I don't remember.
Maybe it's numbered differently. Yep, habitat selection. All the way. You have 3 more. What are the different types of symmetry? Radial or bilateral? Whoa, start from the most primitive. Asymmetry, okay? Asymmetry means what? It's just not symmetrical. There's no way you can cut it. You're gonna end up with two pieces that are equal, okay? So who's asymmetrical? Sponges? Okay? So sponges aren't quite symmetrical, right? What other kinds of symmetry do we have? We have radial symmetry and then bilateral symmetry, right? So for who's radially symmetrical? So jellyfish, for example, okay? And then what main event kind of triggered bilateral symmetry? What main event triggered bilateral symmetry? Yeah, like what happened to organisms to kind of result in bilateral? Huh? Cephalization. So when organisms started developing. Yes.
No, you said radiano.
No, I already covered radial. Now we move to bilateral.
Centralization.
Yes.
What do you
What? What?
Why are you saying centralization causes radio symmetry?
Not radial, bilateral. Okay. All right. So for bilateral symmetry, we have cephalization. Okay. You start seeing that gradually as we move from left to right across the tables. How are we on the sea monkeys? Under the stereo microscope. Yeah, that one was yeah. No, sorry. I can't really see. You don't have a light. You have a tiny.
I use a microscope.
I don't know how to make it work.
Some of them don't need a light. Yeah. Successful sea monkey.
Yeah, it is a lot.